na girlfriend niya based on the affidavits na nakuha nyo. Affidavits
Aside
are,
from the affidavits, we have photographs of Major De Castro and Camilon displaying affection, Mr. Chair.
anak ng baka.
Wala kaming relasyon, sir.
O wala daw silang relasyon.
Nagsisinungaling siya, sir.
Paano ka nakasuhan kung wala kang relasyon?
Yun ang allegation nila, sir. Ako daw po yung boyfriend.
Any objection? Hearing none. The motion is approved. Kumsik, you take usa. You take physical custody of this Major De Castro. Magbantay.
Yes po, Your Honor.